Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the negative power in here. This one we can transform into 1 over x squared y to the power of 5. Similar for this one. Next, we divide both sides by dx. Next, we multiply both sides by this one. And now we need to simplify, and we have x over y. Later that, we put this one go to the right. So y we put on the left, dx we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have y squared over 2. This one we have x squared over 2, and I will put about c. Later that we put this one go to the left. Now we simplify number 2 for the both sides. We know that 2c they still about the constant, so we just put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.